Understanding the phrase, Devil's Workshop. Hello everyone, and welcome to our latest video. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, Devil's Workshop. This phrase is rich in meaning and history, and understanding it can add depth to your English skills. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. In this section, we'll explore the historical origins of the phrase, Devil's Workshop. It's believed to have been derived from an old saying, idle hands are the devil's workshop. This phrase emphasizes the belief that idleness leads to trouble or mischief. We'll look at how this phrase was used historically and how it reflects certain cultural and moral values. Here, we will delve into the current meaning and usage of Devil's Workshop. Essentially, it suggests that when someone has nothing to do, they are more likely to get into trouble or do something harmful. We'll explore various examples of how this phrase is used in modern English, including in literature, movies, and everyday speech. This section focuses on the cultural significance of Devil's Workshop. We'll discuss how this phrase reflects certain attitudes towards work and activity in different cultures. Additionally, we'll see how the meaning of the phrase might change or stay the same in various cultural contexts. In the practical applications section, we'll go over how you can use Devil's Workshop in your own conversations. Whether it's in a formal setting, like a business meeting, or in a casual conversation with friends, knowing how to use this phrase appropriately can enhance your English communication skills. Thank you for watching our video on Devil's Workshop. We hope this exploration has given you a deeper understanding of this intriguing English phrase and how it can be applied in various contexts. Keep practicing your English, and remember, learning new phrases and their meanings is a great way to enrich your language skills. See you in our next video.